Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Just an hope that you're doing fine, keeping safe and in good health. So dancehall recording artist Grace Hamilton, popularly known as the stage name Spice, has been nominated for the Grammy Award in the reggae category, and I can tell you that is a joy to Spice right now based on what has been going on in social media. And it's just a good look for the Jamaicans who have been nominated, including Sean Paul and I think Gramps Morgan as well, and also Jesse Royal and Shensia nominated alongside Kanye West songs that she did with that entertainer. But it's a good look for Jamaica right now going up for the Grammy for the year to come, and I can tell you it's just a wonderful experience to know that you have so many talented Jamaican artists about to share or grace that moment with many other top international entertainers from across the world. But it's a good look for Jamaica, and just want to congratulate all the nominees and those that have tried their very best, those that have made it and those that have not made it to the Grammy to come. But it's a good look for the entire world right now, and it just goes to show you that hard work does pays off in the music business. But it's a good look for Spice right now, and Spice took to her social media platform just in order to update fans about what has been going on and just to show the joy that she's having in relation to this special moment. So she took to her Instagram page, and I can tell you over 8,000 people were actually on the live watching her celebrate the moment, and it's just a good feeling, it's a good look, and it's a wonderful experience to be nominated for the Grammy. Because as you know, many recording artists would have been out there for years and not even an inch a spot of being nominated for the Grammy. So even if you don't win the Grammy, just the fact that you are nominated in the category, I believe that you should be excited and you should be happy, because it's not every day that someone gets to actually have this experience. So I'm going to bring you over now to what Spice had to say in relation to the moment. So let's go over to that right now on Links 007 TV.
We did what they said was impossible. Grammy nominated. Grammy nominated. Grammy nominated. We did it. Oh my God. She's my mother have to boil my dumpling today. Mama have to put on a pot of dumpling for me today. May I tell you? Me say me run. Baby, bestie, we did what they said was impossible. I said this last year, 2020, and I'm going to say it again. When man say no, God say yes.
Amen.
Let me just say it again. Because my besties, them know say, I said this 2020, when man say no, God say yes. What I did today is not normal. You know why? Because they said it would never happen. Because they said it was impossible. I am just the living testimony to you guys out there that anything is possible. Besties, I love you. I love each and every one of you. If I could just travel the earth and hug each and every one of you who I see cry on the internet for me, who fight for me, who speak this into existence, who told me that this was possible. Yo, they said it would have happened. I love you guys. Shaggy, you're my hero. I know you're tired to hear I tell you that I love you. But I'm going to tell you today again, Shaggy, I love you. I appreciate you. You're my hero. There's a lot of people to thank. And I'm going to take my time. I'm going to go through them one by one. Because even though a lot of people fight me, and even though a lot of people bring me down, there's so many people out there who love me, who push me, inspire me, who believed in me. And today, I'm Grammy nominated. Hold on. Let me play my song again. Me a sweat, hush. Me a sweat. Hold on, bestie. Hold on, bestie. Hold on. Sign with ranch, now him a mentor me. Now a time for me take it and create history. From me bad to the bone, to me chocolate tone. Me hear them a moan, enough of them a run around. Undisputed queen to the zone. Comfortable, well sit down in a me throne. They said it was impossible. I know the next one. Friends, let me find friends. Let me find friends, because the way they try to bring me down. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, let me find friends. Besties. I know I've had a lot of friends out there who try to stop me and who try to bring me down. My friend is here today. I want to show you Mida. This is Dr. Mida. When I always hear me and say, put some respect on her name. This is Dr. Mida. Because all along, me swear say true she like the name Doctor while she say, I'm Dr. Mida. And I never take it serious until I go around her yard and see the girl big degree on her dresser. Big doctorate on her something. We went to Africa. Most of you remember when we went to Africa for her birthday. And we were on vacation in Africa. And she's a member of the Grammy board. And she got the email and she was saying, tomorrow is the deadline. I have to submit you. That's it, submit? Mm-hmm. She said, tomorrow is the deadline for Grammy. I'm a part of the Grammy board. I'm going to submit you. I was doubtful, to be honest, because sometimes we make society and people put a doubt in our mind, say it's impossible. Say, people say it's impossible. I'm going to leave it at that. Because remember, me always say, me a little Gracie, Little Gracie. So I said, cho. And she said, no. I'm going to put it in and never know what can happen. And this is Dr. Mida. She sat there. And remember me telling her, say, we forgot outside, go swim. We forgot to take picture with the giraffe. I'm excited to see the animal them outside. The monkey bite me on my finger. I never forget. And the girl sit down and type. She type them, ask some questions. I never know. So somebody could have sit down on one computer for nearly 5 hours. Thank you. It's okay. I'm happy for you. We did it. She believed in me from day one. She believed in me even when I was probably listening to society out there that a day like this wouldn't be possible. Little Gracie. And she submitted. And because remember, this is not like my fans didn't have the opportunity to vote. This was just people who, like a certain, kind of people who was a member of the board. And so I feel like because my fans wasn't in it, I felt like people would have been biased against me. And I felt that way because them always biased against me. Oh my God, I'm happy. I don't want to cry with you today. I want to just celebrate. So, because people always fight me so hard, I just, I felt like it was impossible. Whew. So yeah, because me get so much fight in a dance hall, and because the fight just always I come from every angle, like people just get up every day and say, let me figure out how me can tear down Spice. So I felt like it was impossible. But anything is possible. Anything is possible. These tears are just joy. This is me just happy with you guys. And I want to tell you thank you, that I'm really grateful. I'm so happy and I'm grateful. And let me say this. It's not the matter of if I win next year. Even if I don't win next year. Today, I'm already a winner. Because I did what they said was impossible. VP Records! VP Records, the one on from VP, I love you. One like them a sheep, but them a wolf in a pack. Now make them build your weed with lizard tail and give you crack. If walls could have talked to you, trust me, you'd have shot, eh? Say them love you, don't fall for that. Man to man, so and just remember that. But Marley done did sing this all around the world. Friends, we sell you out for 2 shillings and pearls. Whoa. Tears of joy, besties. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for believing in me. Grammy nominated. Feel and give your crack. If was could have talked to you, trust me, you would have shocked, eh? Say them love you, don't fall for that. Man to man, so one just remember that. Bob Marley done did sing this all around the world. Friends we sell you out for 2 shillings and pearls. Whoa. VP Records, thank you guys for all of the support that you've given this album. Michelle, big up yourself. Michelle from VP Records, big up yourself, and you give me the first call. Neil Diamond, big up yourself. Richard Lowe, big up yourself. Stephen, big up yourself. Stephanie, big up yourself. Big up Randy Chin, big up Christian. Big up everybody from VP Records.